Good day, dear employers. My name is Mary Joy D. Manuel, 41 years old Filipino. I am living in Central Luzon area of the Philippines, General Luna, Llanera, Nueva Ecija. I am separated for almost 13 years. I'm having 22 years old son and 21 years old daughter. My son is taking up civil engineering and my daughter is studying accountancy. I am hardworking mom, initiative, patient, trustworthy, and clean. I worked in Saudi before 3 years. My main duties there are taking care of the kids ages 4, 5, and a newborn with one employer. My first employer in Singapore is Chinese Singaporean family. I worked with them starting June 2019 until October 2022. I treat the kid there as my own daughter. Sending and fetching her in school, bringing her in her tuition, and do all the some outdoor activities like skating. Actually, I teach her how to skate. My second employer is French Vietnamese family. I work to them for only 1 year because they migrate to Vietnam. Almost same job scope, focus on the kid and do all the household work, including cooking, cleaning the house, washing dishes, washing clothes, and teaching the kid mostly. My third employer is American British family, which I learned a lot of baking to them. Please do hire me, and I'll assure you that I'll make your house clean and tidy. I'll do all the household without any supervision. You can trust me, and I will treat your kid as my own kid. That's all. Thank you.